on the 3 bars on the top right corner. After that, click on Settings. Then, click on Help. Then, click on Help Center. Now, click on the search bar and type Delete, and then click on Delete Account. Now, click on Delete your Instagram account. Scroll down. These are the instructions for deleting your account for iPhone. For Android, scroll down and click on Instagram.com from a mobile browser. Now, click on Delete your account. Then, click on this box and select any reason. I selected Too Busy. Finally, enter your password in the password box and then click on the Delete button. A confirmation box will appear and then you need to click on OK. Your Instagram account will then be permanently deleted.